The straddle sit originated in the gymnastics world. Beyond strength in the shoulder girdle and core muscles, this exercise requires high flexibility in the hip joint. Hold the parallettes at shoulder width and lock your elbows. Stand in a wide straddle with your feet close to the hands. Lower your pelvis by bending the knees and shift your weight forward. Disconnect your legs and bring them up to 90 degrees or more at the hip. Lock your knees and hold for 10 seconds. Most of the load in the shoulder girdle is on the anterior deltoid. The primary muscle that flexes the hip is the Iliopsoas, with assistance from the Rectus Femoris that both extends the knee and flexes the hip. The Quadriceps extends the knee as well. The abdominal muscles tilt the pelvis posteriorly and flex the lumbar spine. The pectoralis major assists the anterior deltoid in shoulder flexion. The serratus anterior protracts the scapula. The hamstrings and adductors are being stretched. The elbow flexors stabilize the elbow. The more you lean forward, the greater the activation in the elbow flexors. A common mistake is sinking down with the body along with scapula elevation, bringing the shoulder blades closer to the ears. For optimal stabilization of the shoulder girdle, push the shoulder blades down, move them away from the ears, and at the same time, tilt them slightly forward, away from each other. Tight hamstrings will not allow a straightening of the leg. Most trainees will need some preparatory exercises to stretch the hamstrings and hip adductors before performing this exercise. Examples of preparatory exercises: supine position, raise a straight leg and pull it using a resistance band. Full sitting position, one leg is straight and the other is bent. The arms provide support behind the back and push the floor. Full sitting position with elevation, pillow, arm, support on a stool. Full sitting position on elevation, arm support on a lower stool, spine in neutral position. Full sitting position with elevation, pulling the trunk using a resistance band.